Welcome back, Van here. Today we're going to make beef jerky with stir fry. Special ingredients: I'm going to use a cup of soy sauce. We use a cup of Worcestershire, put in our special blend seasoning. You can find that in the video description down below. Put our lid on. This right here is the trick to making your marinade. We're going to sit this in the refrigerator for about 8 hours. Alright, this has been in the refrigerator for about 8 hours. We're going to hit it with the blender one more time. Get in there. Oh, cords and Alright. The great thing about getting stuff from Walmart like this is you don't have to spend your time cutting the meat to using your beef jerky. This is stir fry cuts. They're going to marinate pretty quick and they're going to dehydrate pretty quick. You want to open every one of these up. Alright, we got all the meat in there. Now we're just going to place the lid on this and let this sit in the refrigerator for about another 8 to 24 hours, whatever you think you need to do. But I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for 8 hours. I'll get this out tomorrow morning and put it in the dehydrator. A link to everything that's used in this video, links will be in the video description down below. Y'all check those out. Okay, we got the dehydrator turned on. I got it set for the longest time, and I've got it set at 160 degrees, just letting it warm up. And we're going to use this parchment paper, and that's a long story why I'm not just using the rack. You can read that in the video description down below. I'll tell you all about it. Alright, this is my original jerky. I'm going to show you how to do this the USDA way. First we're going to marinate this, or dehydrate this in the dehydrator. Then we're going to put it in the oven. But if you're doing this to sell, that's exactly the way you want to do it. It's the way I'm fixing to show you right here with this batch. We're going to put these in the dehydrator for 6 to 8 hours. Alrighty. Pull these out and take a look at them. Alright. We're getting done. These. That was not. This is a little more oilier type of a meat than what I'm used to using. I usually use eye round, But I believe we're good. That one needs to stay on a little bit longer. It's too flexible. See that? Versus, see that? See, that's good right there. Good. These are good. Done. These are all done. That one needs to stay in there a little bit longer. Oh, these are done. 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 That one's not. That one's done. That one's done. See how it kind of tears when I bend it? See how it kind of tears? And this one doesn't. It just bends. So it's not done. So that one kind of tears when I go to bend it. It's done. That one's not done. That's done. That one's not done. That one's done. 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 Alright. I didn't bring a bowl out. I gotta go get a bowl. Alrighty. Got this nicely seasoned pan here. Gonna lay this out in an even row. Now what I'm going to show you is what you need to do if you're going to sell this jerky, so that everything's good, you won't make nobody sick. I know you're saying I've never made anybody sick yet, but there's always that possibility. And if you cover all your bases, then you don't have anything to worry about, right? Now, homemade jerky's only good for about 30 days before you need to discard it, unless you put it in the refrigerator or freezer. You can put it in the refrigerator or freezer. Make it last longer. The way people package stuff is they use nitrogen. Like, say they'll put it in the bag and then they'll blast that bag with nitrogen, and that pushes out all the oxygen. But as a person doing it in their house or their homemade kitchen or whatever, the best way to do it is the way I'm showing you right here. Put it in the oven, 275 for 15 minutes, and then when you bag it up, you're going to put an oxygen absorber in that bag and you're good to go. Let's go put this in the oven. I forgot to mention that this was only in the dehydrator for 4 hours. That's all it took. Got the oven preheating at 275. Yeah, maybe you can see that. It's on the top rack. We're going to come up here and set the clock for 15, not the clock, timer, 15 minutes. When that goes off, the jerky will be done. Now we're going to let that sit there and cool before we bag it up. There it is, the finished product. It's a little caramelized because of the brown sugar. And this is awesome. I've already tried a few pieces. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section down below if you got a question. Leave that down there too. Y'all have a good one now. Thanks for watching, and you come back.